Hello and welcome to littleGasthaus, the German sausage maker. As you all know, I'm in southern Spain trying to get through the winter without wet feet. I'm getting bored a little bit, so I miss my sausages. So I ordered a meat grinder through the internet. I'm going to unbox that one and then making some sausages with it. So stay tuned for more. Here we got the meat grinder I ordered from eBay. Instructions. Brush. I guess that's the, what do you call that? Stuffer. There are some extra knives in here and the filler pipe for the sausage. The grinder part. The tray. And actually the grinder. Gotta put it together right away. Okay, now it has the big knife, 10mm. I'm not going to use that because we use the smaller one, that's 4.5mm. Okay, nice and tight. Tray. And the instruction, well, this is a standard. It's written in English, not too hard if you know how to use a grinder. Here we got the speed control. This one has a special setting. Reverse that way, that direction. This is a filling speed, so it goes slow to fill the sausage casing. And you got the high speed for grinding. Of course, you can let it grind on the low speed if you want to. Depends how noisy it is. We're gonna try. Off. And then I can change the knife. Okay, that's going down. The neighbors are pretty noisy. Sorry for that. Okay, here we got a special ring for filling. Take the knife out, put this one in. So, okay. Okay, gotta stop for now. Cleaning first.